Zico, who did that? Did you make that mess? Zico, come here. Who did this? Who did this mess? Zico, did you do this? Karma, did you do that? Did you make that mess? Did you make this mess? What a mess. What a mess. Whose footprints are these? They belong to someone. Zico, come here. Come here. Zico, come here. Did you make this, Karma? You did not make this mess, did you? Did you see who did this? Who ate the flour for the cookies? Zico. Zico. Was it you? Was it you, Zico? Zico, did you do it? Did you make the mess? Come here. Come here. Come here. Was it you? Did you do this mess? Who did that? Zeke, get off the furniture. Are you kidding me? You made that mess and you think you're going to go on the furniture? You didn't do it, did you, Karma? No. What a mess. How are we going to bake cookies now? The flour's on the floor. Did you make it? Why would you do that? That's for your daddy's wedding. What a mess. All right. Would you like to go see where your daddy is? Would you? Would you like it? Well, I have to clean up the flour first. Don't ever do it again. Karma, you would never do anything like that, would you? No. Well, no more flour, no more cookies. Too bad.